Hey, I know it's been a while. I just want to do a quick overview of the ROXON Multi-Tool. Here's the model number. And here's the back of the box. You can see it comes with one blade and then the scissors. If you want, you can purchase different blades to put in here. You can choose up to 17 different blade styles. Okay. Also, what's nice about this tool, it's got a 10-year warranty. Tells you the size, weight, materials, 8CR13 MOV. There's all your different options, the knives you can buy from their website, whichever style you want. Comes with a belt clip. And here it is. It's very nice. It's well made. Here's the scissors part. The only downside that I wish it had is I wish it had a little better detent in the blade. Got good lockup. And I wish the pocket clip was a little bit thicker. You see how thin it is. So, I mean, it works, but I just wish it was a little thicker. And here's the blade that comes with it. Use it a few times. One thing I do want to point out is right here is a screw. That's actually an adjustment screw for the knife. So you can, it's like just a pivot. But when I got it, and it was zero blade play, none whatsoever. Up, down, side to side. G10 scales. Here you got the locks. This is how you change the knife. Push it in. Push this one in. Boom, comes off. It's all polished. Makes it look nice. And there's your blade. So now if you want to, you take this off, put another blade on. Just kind of push it down a little bit. It's a very simple design, but it works very well. And grab the scales, squeeze it, lock it. And there it is, it's all locked again. And here is the best part. Boom. Full scissors. And let me tell you, these things are sharp, sharp, sharp. And that's the way it came from the factory. Very nice edge. What's great about this thing? 25 bucks. How can you beat that? $25 on our website. And the knife blades, if you want to replace them, here. So far, what I found on our website is they come in threes. So you can buy, you know, a package of 3. I don't see where they sell them individual, but they do sell them at 3. You can pick different ones you want. Go to their website. Like it says, they're pre-packaged, they're pre-sorted, I should say. So you go there and you might get like a clip point, a hawkbill, and a serrated. And that's what they sell, 3. So it's $24.99 or $23.99. So you get 3 replacement blades, which I think is priced very well, in my opinion. Super smooth. Full length of the scissors. Through the handle, about 6 inches. And then all you do is just fold it up. Boom. You're all set. And here's a knife. I've used it a few times already. See, it's pretty sharp. Does a good job cutting cardboard. And so these scissors are probably the best part. This is probably going to be one of my favorite EDCs, only because you can get different blades for it. What I want to do is I'd like to get the clip point, the hawkbill, and probably the canto. And you can get a razor blade for it. If you want to use a utility blade, you can do that. It's got a small comb. You can also, there's a small utility to it you can put on there. Like I said, it's got a 10-year warranty. There's a SKU number, ROXON S501U, lightweight EDC. So that's it. Just want to do a quick show off. Blade length. Just under 3 inches. So it's not bad. Handles 4 inches. Thickness about a half an inch less. Not bad. Thing with this thing. About a half an inch. Show you those screws again real close. These are the adjusting screws. This one here adjusts the knife pivot. This one here, it's a T6, I believe.